Namaskaram. Most of the time, changing one's lifestyle or diet, treating a nutrient deficit, or attending to an underlying medical condition can alleviate fatigue. However, you must identify the root of your exhaustion if you want to improve it. Let us talk about some particular underlying reasons for chronic fatigue. Anemia, often known as iron deficiency, is a disorder that makes it challenging for the blood to transport oxygen throughout the body. The absence of oxygen contributes to fatigue. Diabetics frequently experience muscle weakness and exhaustion as a result of their body using up the glucose and fat reserves it has saved to maintain energy for the appropriate operation of the metabolism. Thyroid dysfunction or hyperthyroidism can cause exhaustion as the thyroid gland regulates hormones and metabolism. An underactive thyroid gland forces the body's organs to work too hard to maintain appropriate hormonal levels and other activities. When the heart's muscles find it difficult to pump blood regularly throughout the body, they must apply more pressure. This results in an inadequate supply of oxygen to the body cells, particularly the brain cells, which results in fatigue. Sleep apnea is a sleep disease that makes people feel as though they're choking and causes them to wake up in the middle of the night. This inconsistent oxygen flow to the cells creates persistent weariness. Nutritional deficiencies are one of the main causes of chronic fatigue syndrome. Examples of these include a lack of vitamin B, magnesium, calcium, iron, potassium, and other necessary nutrients. Excessive high caffeine consumption causes the stress hormone cortisol to be released, keeping you awake and disrupting your circadian rhythm. Dehydration is a major contributor to chronic fatigue as it results in the loss of electrolytes and inadequate oxygenation of the cells, both of which contribute to exhaustion. Stress of any kind, including mental and emotional strain, releases the hormone cortisol, which is responsible for symptoms including sleep apnea, brain fog, and other conditions that contribute to weariness. Sometimes depression or anxiety is the root cause of chronic fatigue. Depression affects twice as many women as men and often runs in families. Fatigue can be a symptom of infections ranging from flu to HIV. If you have an infection, you will probably have other symptoms like fever, head or body aches, shortness of breath even, or loss of appetite. Fatigue may be an early warning sign of food intolerance or food allergies. Once you determine the underlying causes and make the necessary lifestyle and nutritional changes, or receive the proper therapy or medications, your fatigue should typically get better within a few days or weeks. We'll see you in another informative video. Until next time, Pranam.